Hello guys, Igor here doing one more SEO class, and today I'm gonna show you the Harry Potter SEO formula. It's pretty simple, and as a matter of fact, I want to say that I'm using Harry Potter and Hermione on my video as a matter of an educational purpose under the fair use. Also the Zygmunt Bauman picture. To explain that new formula on SEO that could help you rank first on Google. It helped me and it worked 2 times on YouTube with 2 concepts that I created. One of them is called the mathematics of the quality. And I want to explain that formula using first Zygmunt Bauman here. He is one of the greatest persons on 21st century. And he created a concept called liquid love. He created many concepts, but one of them is called liquid love. And it's pretty important to understand the times that we are living on. And the liquid love concept means that people can't create solid relationships that will, work for decades. And they will be able to raise children and, to develop a family and to create sustainable human relationships. And that is one of the problems of today's world. Zygmunt Bauman warned us about that years and years ago, and now we are living a fertility crisis in all the world. And, we could explain the liquid love concept just saying, people can't be girlfriend and boyfriend anymore, be wife and husband anymore. But he created the concept, he created the name, called it liquid love, and that's why he's famous. Because the ability to, of course, create the concept, but to create a creative name to translate the concept. And that is the Harry Potter SEO formula. You should always come up with a unique name for any new strategy, tactic, or technique you devise. So if you create a new strategy, a new tactic, a new technique, remember to create the name, and then we are gonna rank first on Google. And why the name is the Harry Potter SEO formula? Because this strategy is one explanation why Harry Potter is so famous. Of course, the environment, the fantasy, the world is pretty rich. It's one of the best fantasy literature, I think, that humanity created. But if you remember well about Harry Potter, all the movies and all the books present new magic words that change the world. But remember in the first movie when Hermione says Wingardium Leviosa, and then the thing just levitated. So you can make things levitate with the magic word Wingardium Leviosa. The same thing with all the magics during the book and all the classes and all the characters. All of them have unique names. The things have unique names. The trophy has a unique name. The food has unique names. The beverage, the candies, everything have a unique name. And it's the name that translates the magic of the world of Harry Potter. And like Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, creator, writer, you need to always create a new name for your new and unique strategy, because this will make you be recognized by people. And more, if your strategy, tactics, or technique get traction, you're gonna rank first for that tactics on Google and YouTube and other social media that have ranking factors, because you created that. You were the first one. Google wants to get on the first page the better content, and they have a lot of formulas for that, a lot of techniques. The best content will not always be, but will include the original resource. So the first person that created the technique, the strategy, the tactic, people will start looking it up online. If that strategy gets traction, and you'll be the first one on Google for it, or YouTube. As like Harry Potter that you created in Guardian Leviosa, and also the, Avada Kedavra, and other kinds of magic that we cannot forget, all the house, Gryffindor, Slytherin, etc. If you create the name, it will keep in people's minds, and you rank first on Google and will be recognized by that. That's a simple formula, but it works. That's the Harry Potter SEO formula, and that's what I'm doing right now when I create a name for that formula, for that strategy. Now it's the Harry Potter SEO formula. I hope you like that class. And if you want to get to know more about new SEO tactics, I just added a link in the description, where a link to the school that helped me to create that formula. Let's call it Educational Cloud. They are having the best price on AppSumo right now. Thank you so much. Bye bye.